Dr. Greeny here, and today I'm talking about my top 5 ordinary products. These are all around $10, and it's a great way to upgrade your skincare on the cheap. I'm a board certified dermatologist, and I'm here to help you get your best skin. So if I've helped you, please like and subscribe. I appreciate your support. We're going to start with number 5 and work our way to number 1. And I'm even going to sprinkle in a few of my least favorite products. So none of these products are sponsored, but starting with number 1, this is the ordinary lactic acid. Lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid that can help with glow, fine lines, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and helping to exfoliate dry, dead, dull skin cells. Now, the only bad thing about this is sometimes the smell of lactic acid. Some people have said it smells like sour yogurt or slightly fermented sweat, which I think is a little bit harsh. I don't think it smells that bad, but it does have a little bit of a funk to it. Now, the 10% lactic acid is a great concentration that's not going to over irritate your skin, but still get your results. The Ordinary has also mixed it with hyaluronic acid, which is an awesome moisturizing agent that helps soothe your skin and protect the skin barrier while you're using the lactic acid. Now, since some of these skin acids can be a little bit irritating, it's important to use it just once a day. I like using them at night. And if you're using a retinoid, just make sure to alternate nights for the retinoid and alpha hydroxy acid. You probably don't want to use them together because it might be over irritating for you. Another thing to keep in mind for the lactic acid is any alpha hydroxy acid is also a little bit photosensitizing, meaning it makes you a little bit more sensitive to the sun. So make sure you're good about sunscreen use if you're using an alpha hydroxy acid in your regimen. So I said most of these products are around $10. This one's literally like $5 or $6. So it's a little under the 10, and I'm going to tell you a few that are going to be a little over the 10, so it all balance out. One more tip of using the ordinary lactic acid is if you are getting a little sensitive, it is okay to cut this with a moisturizer. You can dilute it down to make it less intense. Number 4, it's alpha arbutin 2% with hyaluronic acid. Alpha is in the name because it's basically the alpha boss babe of treating hyperpigmentation. For real though, it does work great for hyperpigmentation, but alpha arbutin is actually an ingredient that inhibits tyrosinase, an enzyme in your skin that creates dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Ideally, this leads to a more even complexion, which we're all looking for, and it also serves as an antioxidant to help mop up free radicals that cause damage to our skin. So I want you to know this can be helpful not only for dark spots, but also from red spots from acne. When we have inflammation from acne, the redness typically turns to a dark brown color, especially if you have darker colored skin. So it's important to know you can use this for dark spots that you already have or red spots that may turn into dark spots down the road. Alpha arbutin 2% is available at Sephora for under $9, and it's safe for all skin types. By the way, this video is not sponsored at all. I'm literally just telling you my favorite valuable skincare products from The Ordinary. Number 3, it's 8% ascorbic acid with alpha arbutin. So we already know about alpha arbutin, but ascorbic acid is like putting an orange on your face. I'm just kidding. Don't put orange on your face. I hate seeing that stuff on TikTok. Keep food in the mouth, not on the skin. For real though, ascorbic acid is a great form of vitamin C, and L-ascorbic acid is the best. Now, generally you want to look for 10 to 15% concentration for this. This is actually a little bit less at 8%. Now, the form of vitamin C is very important because vitamin C inherently is a pretty wimpy molecule. You'll notice the brown bottle because the sunlight will oxidize this, but we want it to oxidize on our skin, protecting our skin from the sun and not oxidizing the bottle. And L-ascorbic acid is the most stable form. Now, this is an awesome product because L-ascorbic acid helps to stabilize collagen and help form new collagen. This is important in wrinkles and anti-aging, but ascorbic acid also has some benefits in hyperpigmentation. Now, when this is combined with alpha arbutin in this product, you've got a real winning combo for fighting hyperpigmentation. And at the 8% concentration, it's perfect for even sensitive skin types because some people do get irritated at higher concentrations of ascorbic acid. I personally like using it in the morning, and it's available for under $8. Well, remember how I told you I'm going to tell you about some of the products that I don't like from The Ordinary? Well, I'm going to drop one of those in now. One of the products I personally didn't like is the glycolic acid. For me, it's only 7% concentration, but it was actually very harsh on my skin, so I didn't particularly like it. I do like alpha hydroxy acids like glycolic acid, but this product wasn't for me. I'll tell you the other product I didn't like just a little bit later in the video, but let's get to number 2. My second most favorite product is the Ordinary Azelaic Acid. This is a total game changer. It's the product that I recommend that's over the counter the most in my dermatology clinic every single day. And I know that acid is in the name, but it isn't going to burn your skin off. It's not an acid like that. It's a little bit different. It's actually quite gentle if you keep the concentration low, and this is a 10% concentration, but concentrations between 5 and 10% are great. And most people tolerate this better than most acne treatments, which oftentimes are drying. This product has so many applications. It's great for acne, rosacea, and dark spots. It can help all of those things. Acne and rosacea, it works through an antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory mechanism, which is perfect. And it also inhibits that tyrosinase enzyme that causes dark spots. So it makes it a great overall product that's pretty gentle, and it can help many different skin conditions. It won't help as much for the redness of rosacea, but if you get bumps and papules and pustules on your nose and face from rosacea, then this is an awesome treatment. You can use it twice per day, and this one's only about $6. Just a gentle reminder, I know that we're all skincare addicts, and I'm talking about a lot of great skincare problems, and I want to get to my top favorite product from The Ordinary. Now, it's important to know that while we all like skincare products, and it'd be great to go buy all of these things, and you can pretty much get them all for like $50 or so total, you only need to get what your skin needs. Don't feel like you need to overload your skincare regimen with a bunch of products. Just target the problems that you have. Maybe it's acne, maybe it's dark spots, maybe it's wrinkles, and use those targeted solutions rather than using everything on your skin. Using a bunch of products on your skin is going to increase your risk for irritation and allergy, and we certainly don't want that because we want to help you get your best skin. So let's get to my number one product from The Ordinary. And the number one product is The Ordinary Buffet. This product totally rocks. It might be a little unexpected that this is my top favorite product because peptides in general are in my top 5 maybe for skincare, but they're not my top 3. But this product is absolutely phenomenal. It's probably one of the best things that's ever happened to my skin. When I used it, I feel like my skin was at the best. I was using it regularly, and actually I kind of backed off of it, which makes me think I need to get back to it. It's also morning right now, so the idea of a breakfast buffet sounds really good. So I may go smash that right after we're done filming this video. But The Ordinary Buffet rocks, and this one is a touch over $10 at about $11. This product's called The Ordinary Buffet because of the diverse, exotic cuisine of peptides that are in this product. The beautiful thing about this product is it's all hydration and no irritation. This is literally just total pleasure for your skin. It's going to leave you dewy, hydrated, feeling great with no irritation. Of course, because of that, it's safe to use twice daily. You can do it usually right after cleansing because it's a super thin serum that feels great. Now, something to look out for is there's also an Ordinary Buffet with copper peptides. I've used that one too. It looks way cooler. It has a vibrant blue color, looks amazing, but for whatever reason, it didn't feel the same on my skin. I didn't like it as much. I like the original Ordinary OG Buffet from The Ordinary. So that's my top 5 products. I am going to leave you with one other one that didn't really work great for me, and that was the vitamin C 30% in silicone. I just didn't like the feel, and it was a little too harsh for my skin. 30% vitamin C is quite strong, and I think a lot of people get irritated from this. So it's affordable, but I personally didn't like it. If you got any questions about Ordinary products, I've tried them all. Drop them in the comments, and if I've helped you, feel free to like and subscribe.